Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Math 3. That topic will be partial differential equation. So what is the partial differential equations? First definitions you should learn. So partial differential equation is equation which involves partial derivatives of a function of two or more independent variable. So z is dependent variable, xy is independent variable. So this z depends upon the function of x and y. If we differentiate with respect to x, dou z by dou x, that symbols you have to remember, this symbol I given here, p. If again you will differentiate this one more time, dou by dou x, again differentiate p, it will becomes r. That you have to remember, this p, then this is r. You have to remember, r means two time differentiation of this with respect to x. Again, if differentiate with respect to y, it will come q, dou z by dou y equal to q. This also you have to remember. So q nothing but dou z by dou y. Again we will differentiate with respect to y, that means twice we will differentiate. You will get the dou square z by dou y square, that's nothing but t. This also you have to remember. So this will use this p, q, r, s, this full partial differentiation, this symbolic form will use. Again, either x differentiate with respect to y or y differentiate with respect to x, you will get dou z square dou x by dou y, that will be the s. You have to remember. So what you have to remember, dou z by dou x equal to p, dou z by dou y q, then two time differentiation x r, y t, and this you have to remember. Now first part, what I am going to do here, formation of the partial differential equations. First we'll cover by the eliminating of the arbitrary constant. So arbitrary constant, suppose the functions they given x, y, a, b. So a, b are the arbitrary constant. So what is our target here? What we have to do here? We'll remove this a and b, that given equation. Then that means we'll remove the arbitrary constant. That only we will study here. Then arbitrary functions. The functions formula will be there. So that we'll discuss after this. So there what we'll do? Again we'll differentiate, we'll remove the function. So that again the second part. First today we'll cover how to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So before this we should know what is the difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. So ordinary differential equations you will see that they have derivative of with respect to only one variable. If they have derivative with respect to one variable, that is known as ordinary differential equation. If they have more than two variables, that's called partial differential equation. If you will see this, where is the application? Application, now you can see the heat conduction, fluid dynamics, then electromagnetic fields, they are having this application of the partial differential equations. Okay, so these are the concept behind that. Now how to eliminate the arbitrary constant? One simple examples I will give. I will take one simple problem. Suppose they given z is equal to I will take a simple problem, ax plus by, then plus a by b. They will ask questions, form the differential equation. The questions will ask like this: find the partial derivative equations by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So find the partial differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So this they will give this expression z is equal to x plus by plus ab. So what we'll do? Differentiate this with respect to x first. Differentiate this with respect to dou z, no? So dou z by dou x with respect to x. Here y, these two terms will come 0. So it will come a into x1. Remaining part will be 0. So that means what we are getting here? P is equal to a. Dou z by dou x nothing but p. So p is equal to a. Again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to y. So dou z, dou y. Dou z, dou y. Then what will be there? This 0 plus b plus 0. That means what we got? Dou z by dou y is equal to q. So q is equal to b. Suppose this take equations 1, substitute p and q in equation 1. So what will come? Z is equal to px plus qy plus a na p by q. This is the answer. So we form the partial differential equations by the eliminating the arbitrary constant. This is the answer. So this way we can. So question they will ask, find the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. What are the arbitrary constant? A and B the arbitrary constant. How we eliminated this? You differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to y, dou z by dou x p, dou z by dou y q. So AB. So replace this equation to this. This is the answer. Okay. Now we'll take another question. So these things I will rub it now here. Now I'll take the another question. Some few questions I will solve. So based on this only you will understand. So I will take some another questions. Some simple questions. Suppose you take z is equal to the questions I will take first. Z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. See, looks like a very completed expression. So what I have to do? This given. So eliminatory, they will ask eliminate the arbitrary constant. What are the constant here? A and B only we have to remove. So again similar, differentiate this, give equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y. You write like this. Then what will be there? Dou z by dou x equal to a into x differentiation 1. Remaining part will be 0. So that means p is equal to a here again. Looks big expression, but see the answer will be how small. Then differentiate with respect to y. Dou z by dou y. What will come? 0 plus b. Remaining terms will be 0. So that implies q is equal to b. Now substitute ab in equation 1. So what will get? Z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square root under. This is the answer. This is the answer. So see this, how to eliminate the arbitrary constant. Only differentiate once x with respect to x with respect to y we can get. Now we will take little bigger problems. Okay. You see this. Now I am taking z is equal to another question. Z is equal to a x plus log y minus x square by 2 x square by 2 minus b. So this is the given expression. What they ask? Eliminate the arbitrary constant and form the partial differential equation. So first we will differentiate with respect to x. So see here, dou z by dou x. A into x, if you multiply, so this is the variable, so it will come a only. Here anywhere x is there? No. So if you want to write a into 1 plus 0 minus 2x by 2 minus 0, we can write like this. Directly also you can, x only is here. So other terms will be, this part will be 0. This part differentiations will be there, 2x. X square differentiation 2x. Now just solve it. P equal to a minus x. Then find the a is equal to, because we have to eliminate constant now. A is equal to p plus x. A equal to p plus x. So we wrote a is equal to p plus x. Okay. Now again differentiate twice. Again differentiate with respect to y. So what will come here? Dou z by dou y is equal to ax. This part will go 0 plus a log y 1 by y. A will be there into 1 by y. A multiplying now ax 0. A log y 1 by y. Then minus 0 because no y. So what we got? Q equal to ay. A by y. So a is equal to what we can get here? That implies a is equal to qy. A is equal to qy. Now look here. A is equal to qy. Substitute this value in equation 1. So qy equal to p plus x. Is there any arbitrary constant? No. This is the answer. So what we are seeing? What way you can remove the a and b, that is called arbitrary constant. So we removed this. Okay. We'll take another questions now. Come this. So this I'm practicing some number of questions, so you can. So we'll take, suppose like these questions will be there. 2z is equal to, little complicated na, x square by a square plus y square by b square. Yeah, like these questions will be there. Then what is the arbitrary constant? A and B we have to remove. So similar method will go, differentiate these equations with respect to x and y respectively. Okay, respectively. So 2 dou z by dou x we can write now. 2 dou z by dou x. X square 2x by a square plus 0. No x term, so 0. So what we can write here finally? 2p equal to 2x by a square. 2 get cancelled. So what we getting? A square is equal to, or you write here, that implies a square equal to x by p. A square equal to x by p will come here. 1 we got. Now again differentiate. 2 with respect to y now. 2 dou z by dou y equal to what will come? This part will come 0. No x term. So plus 2y by b square. B is constant. So it will be here. Now here 2 get cancelled. So what will get here? Q equal to y by b square. Then take b square is equal to how much? B square is nothing but y by q. Substitute these two in equation, give here 1. Substitute a square b square in equation 1. So what will get? 2z is equal to x square a square. So x square as it is, you have to eliminate a. So a square equal to x by p plus, no, this is plus y square by y by q. So 1x cancel, 1y can cancel. So px plus qy. So what we got? 2z is equal to, so finally you got what is? 2 also will get cancelled. 2z is equal to, 2z is equal to z. So 2z is equal to p plus, 2z is equal to px plus qy. Now look here, differentiating 2 dou z by dou x, 2x, 2 get cancelled. So a is equal to, this square is equal to this, get cancelled. Now substitute in this equation, 2z is equal to x square by a square, substitute this to value. So this way you can get 2z is equal to px plus y. This is the answers. Okay. So now this, now we'll take another questions. So we'll practice some few questions here. We'll take now some questions. Suppose a little long questions now I will see. This form, suppose questions will be there. Okay, look here. Question will be some this form. Problem will be 2z equal to ax plus y square plus b. Ax square plus b. Now look here, how to eliminate the a and b. So similar work, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y. So dou z by, just wait, 2 is there now. So 2 always will be there here. 2 is there now. 2 dou z by dou x equal to, here, what is there here? Suppose x and differentiation, what is? Nx n minus 1. Suppose here ax plus y square is there. So 2. N is how much? 2. Ax plus y 2 minus 1 into differentiation of ax a. That will be there. Nx n minus 1 x and differentiation. Now see here power is there 2. So 2x n minus 1 into x differentiation 1. This is our basic concept here. What is x and differentiation? Nx n minus 1 x differentiation 1. Similarly here variable ax, so a. So that only I am going to write directly 2 ax plus y power 1 into a. This is the differentiation. Now 2p dou z by dou x equal to nothing but p. 2 ax plus y into a. 2 get cancelled. So now you keep it this like this. Now we'll go the different part. Different part we will get. Differentiating with respect to y. So what is coming? 2 dou z by dou y equal to 2 ax plus y into y only. So 1. Other part b equal to 0. So 2q equal to 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. So we will cancel here. So what will be there? Q equal to ax plus y. Now here we got what is equations? P is equal to ax plus y into a. Now a we have to remove. So take a value from here. So q minus y is equal to ax. Then a is equal to q minus y by a. A is equal to x. So a is equal to, now you know the value. A is equal to, now you know value. This value substitute in equations, give here 2. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So what will come here? P. A value na? Q minus y by x into x plus y, bracket close. What is there here? A. Q minus y by x. X get cancelled here. X gets cancelled here. So plus is there, no? Q minus y. So this also get cancelled. So P is equal to what is? Q into Q minus y by x. Q minus y. This also can keep the answer. This also you can keep the answer, or you simplify here. Px equal to, you can simplify here. This will be the also answer, but P into, so Px equal to Q square minus Qy. So Px plus Qy equal to Q square. This is the form of equation. This is called the partial differential equation. So like these questions will be there, little you have to practice. These equations little bigger. Find this second equation, see a value, substitute a value, get the answer. Okay, now we will take another questions. Now product form I will take one questions. Okay, this I am going to rub it. So product form I will take one questions. So questions will be now z is equal to x minus a into y minus b. So this now you know differentiation d u v. What is u dv plus v du? That means first function differentiation of second function differentiation of first. Similarly, two functions u and v is there. So with respect to x differentiate, then what will come? Dou z by dou x equal to, product is there. First u, what is u? Okay, right, x minus a. dv, here no x, so into 0, plus v, what is v? Y plus b. X minus a differentiation 1 minus 0. You solve this. P is equal to this part 0 plus y plus b. Then you can write it b is equal to p minus y. That implies b is equal to y minus p minus y. Now again differentiate with respect to y. So what will get? What will get? Dou z by dou y equal to, first function similar you take x minus a, derivative of second 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, x plus a is there, no? Wait here. Problem will be, the problem given x plus a. Okay, what you changes you check it. X plus a. So no difference here. Here x plus a, y plus b. So 1 0. Okay. Now q is equal to x plus a. So a is equal to q minus x. Now substitute a and b in equation 1. Substitute A and B in equation 1. So what we will get? Z is equal to x plus A na q minus x. Here y plus B na p minus y. Solve this, x gets cancel, y get cancel, z is equal to q plus p or p plus q. So what is answer is coming? Oh, into is there na? This into is there. So pq. So z is equal to pq, here into is there. This to pq. Suppose product form will be there na? So how to differentiate? DUV method. So this way you can solve. Many more problems will be there. 1 or 2 problems I will take, then I will stop this. One I will take some little good problems, okay. So, okay, you see here. This one questions I will solve, then this unit will stop. So, questions is there, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to z square cot square alpha. So looks how complicated, but see how we'll solve. So give this equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to x and y respectively. Okay, so see here, 2x minus a into 1, because with respect to x this part will be 0. Then here 2z dou z by dou x. Z square na 2z dou z by dou x. Cot square alpha. Because into is there, so it will be there here. Now what will get? 2x minus a equal to 2zp cot square alpha. So into is there na, this get cancelled. So x minus a we know now. Zp cot square alpha. Give equations number 2. Now again differentiate. Carefully see. This looks complicated but simple only. Similar method we have to follow. Now again differentiating with respect to y. So this part will come 0. Then this 2y minus b into 1, because y differentiation 1. So you write. Then here 2z dou z by dou y with respect to y. Then this cot square alpha as it is. Cot square alpha will be as it is. Now see here, 2 get cancelled both sides. 2 get cancelled. So what is there? Y minus b equal to zq cot square alpha. Give equations 2. Now substitute 2 and 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So what is there? X minus a. Where is x minus a? Z p cot square alpha whole square plus y minus b. Zq cot square alpha whole square equal to z square cot square alpha. Okay, now we'll solve. Here what will come? Square is there na? Z square p square cot power 4 alpha plus z square q square cot power 4 alpha equal to z square cot square alpha. Now look here, z square if you will take common here and cot square. So one steps I will write for you. Z square cot square alpha take common. What will be there here? Z square cot square alpha. So p square cot square alpha. P square cot square alpha plus q square cot square alpha equal to z square cot square alpha, this part. Now z square cot square alpha get cancelled. So what is there here? P square cot square alpha. So now you take cot square alpha here also common again. Cot square alpha I am taking common. Now what is there? P square plus q square is equal to 1. So we can take p square plus q square is equal to 1 by cot square alpha. This also answer, or you want right now p square q square is equal to 1 by cot square alpha tan square alpha. This is the answer. So how this answer is coming? So what is the answer we got? If like this questions is there, na, correct. So this is the answer we are getting. So this is the answers we are getting. So many more problems will be there like this. What is our target? To eliminate the arbitrary constant. A and B just differentiate, substitute, and then again man equation, and you will get the answer. So this way, this arbitrary questions, each and every exams you will get at least sometimes 6 marks, sometimes 2 marks. So 8 marks questions will be there in this portions. Okay friends, thank you. Watch this video till end. Each and every problems you just solve it. Okay, thank you.